Hello guys, and welcome to a new crypto video of the most beautiful music instrument there is, the crypto violin. Guys, I hope you have an amazing day because today I'm back with some amazing content I want to share with you. And before we dive into the bullish and juicy content I have for you today, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for the 4.77k subscribers. We are almost at 5k, guys. I am so happy and thrilled. 5k would mean a lot for me. That's my short-term goal, guys. 5k would be amazing. So help your boy Crypto Violent to reach the 5k subscribers. And don't forget to like and comment if you have questions. Comment in my comment section. Don't be afraid to ask the XRP family for support and help, because we will always be there for our brothers and sisters. So that being said, let's dive into the juicy and bullish content I have for you today. First of all, Ripple CEO, central banks review the XRP ledger for issuing stablecoins. Posted on November the 14th, 2020. Ripple could have signed more customers for its XRP-based payment solution on-demand liquidity in 2020 if there had been more regulatory clarity. Central banks are reviewing the XRP ledger as an open source technology for issuing stablecoins. Wow, that sounds bullish, guys. Let's read further. In a new episode of the podcast The Scoop, Frank Shapiro spoke with Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse about the company's successes this year, as well as topics such as regulatory uncertainty in the US, why Ripple is not planning an initial public offering IPO at this time, and how central banks are investigating the XRP ledger. Regarding the year 2020, Garlinghouse said that in a year that proved to be challenging, Ripple has exceeded his expectations in 2020. We aren't going to grow as fast this year as we thought. However, we are getting 2 production of financial contracts a week, the Ripple CEO said. Garlinghouse also emphasized that the XRP transaction volume has grown strongly, exceeding, for example, Bitcoin's liquidity on some days on some exchanges, such as Bitso. Nevertheless, an opaque regulatory environment has prevented Ripple from reaching its full potential. According to Garlinghouse, there is no level playing field for all cryptocurrencies in this regulatory climate. Bitcoin was the only one with the hall pass. Due to this, cryptocurrencies like XRP, which have to live without clarity, performed worse. According to Garlinghouse, are they gonna choose a platform where there's regulatory clarity like Bitcoin, or something that has uncertainty like XRP? So it has been a huge challenge. The regulatory clarity allowed investments to flow in Bitcoin. But here in the US, when you talk about what JP Morgan or Goldman Sachs is doing, they start with Bitcoin, or even Square is an example. Square has said to support Bitcoin and Bitcoin Cash. Well, do I think this is where they will be in 1 year, 2 years or 3 years? I'm doubtful on that. I think that regulatory uncertainty has people allowed to focus on Bitcoin at the expense of some of the other technology platforms. Ripple CEO went on to discuss that his company was struggling with fighting with one hand tied behind our backs. If there was more regulatory clarity from the US, Ripple would have already signed more customers for on-demand liquidity and the XRP ledger. Would have been there more customers if there was regulatory clarity? And this 100% for sure. Even this week I have been on a call with the CEO of a pretty major player, and there's zero doubt that absent regulatory clarity, people are like, well, let's wait and see, because they don't want to end up in a position where they have invested a whole lot of money to support technologies and then do something different. Okay, that's understandable, that's very understandable, but that is very positive news, guys, because we know at the point that there will be regulatory clarity in the US, then the floodgates will be open and huge mass adoption and new customers and new use cases will be adopted very fast, guys, because everybody is waiting. The big CEOs, they say, well, let's wait and see, till the regulatory clarity has arrived, guys. So we are at this point that this can happen at any moment, okay? So Ripple, the company, is pushing for the growth of the XRP ecosystem, okay? They want this clarity, the regulatory clarity, they want this. So they are talking with regulators and they are meeting with regulators. So I am assured that they will manage to have regulatory clarity as soon as possible, okay? I have my faith in the company Ripple. I believe in the company Ripple and in all the genius minds that are working there, guys. That's why I am bullish. We read further. Asked about the IPO predicted earlier this year, Garlinghouse said that the COVID-19 has played a significant role in ensuring that no blockchain or crypto company, including Ripple, has gone public in 2020. However, the goal of an IPO still stands, Garlinghouse stressed. And what I said then was like, Ripple don't want to be first, and I think Ripple don't want to be last. I said something like that. And that's generally how I feel now. We have continued to grow the business. So I feel good how we continue to build the businesses and that there are very strong network effects. And I feel great on the position we are in. At the end of the interview, Ripple's CEO also revealed that central banks have shown interest in using the XRP ledger to issue stablecoins. Specifically, Garlinghouse explained, certainly we do know that central banks looking at the XRP ledger as open source technology to issue stablecoins. And that may happen. Frankly, it's an open source technology, so necessarily we do not need to be involved in that. But as experts in using the XRP ledger, some are talking to us and we are trying to be helpful. And we think that this could be good for the overall dynamics of the XRP community. Wow guys, so I want to highlight this guys. Central banks have shown very much interest in the usage of the XRP ledger to issue stablecoins. So stablecoins on the XRP ledger, and you know what this means guys? Central banks, they don't send $10, $15 or maybe $300. No, they send billions and billions of dollars. So this would mean a lot for the general ecosystem of the XRP ledger. Okay, this means that we are invested in a product that's very unique. We are the future 1% that found the next thing. Okay, I remember that 10-15 years ago we were using a Nokia phone that we charged once a week, and you could only call with this and play some ringtones and play the snake game, and that's where we come from. And now we are FaceTiming, we have this virtual reality glasses, we are so much further guys. Okay, so I remember that my parents got a computer, it was crazy, and we used these discs to store information. That was high-tech stuff for us, but now I could not imagine what we did back then. That was crazy guys. So the evolution of the computer, the phones, the internet, it became so fast, and now Ripple is revolutionizing the cross-border payments and the financial industry, because some of these payment rails, they are ancient. Okay, so guys, this is the next big thing. Imagine investing in Amazon, imagine investing in Facebook, imagine investing in Apple. This is the next big thing guys. The financial industry is being broken down and rebuilt guys. That being said guys, I want to look at the XRP USD daily chart on Bitfinex. This is my TradingView account, and every self-respected XRP trader or XRP investor, they should have a TradingView account where you can simply look at the charts and see what's happening. So the previous time we got a buy 1, buy 2, moon and bull signal. The price of XRP rose 82% guys, okay, to approximately 33 cents. And now we got a buy 2, buy 1, super buy, bull and moon signal, and we opened and closed above this resistance line of 25.5 cents. And actually these are moving averages. So the black line is the 9-day moving average and the blue line is the 20-day moving average. And you know what, when the 9-day moving average crosses the 20-day moving average, this is a very bullish indication. And you see here this black line crossed the blue line, the 20-day moving average, and whoop, we went 82% up. And when the 9-day moving average falls under the 20-day moving average, then the price of XRP gets lower. So this is very bullish. And we have here also a very dotted blue line and a yellow line that are resistance levels. And XRP also trades now above this resistance level, so it broke resistance. So this means guys, if we get another 82% rise, we will end up at approximately 50 cents guys. 50 cents is a beautiful number. On the short term, it will make us all bullish again, it will make us all very happy again, and I hope we will have a beautiful Christmas, because if XRP will hit the 50-cent mark, then for sure $1 is on the table and it will pass this $1. You know what? We have double luck guys, because all the XRP holders will receive also Spark tokens in December. So every 1 XRP you hold, you get also 1 Spark token. This means we're double invested in amazing projects, guys. So 2 for the price of 1. And you know what, guys, I will not sell my Spark token because I expect the Spark token also to rise. And when this happens, it can go to a couple dollars, and I wouldn't say no to free cash. And this is what's happening, guys. We will be rewarded for holding XRP. Be patient, be bullish, and be juicy. That being said, I want to thank you all for watching my videos. I want to kindly remind you to subscribe. We are almost at 5k subscribers. Help your brother Crypto Violin out to the 5k subscribers. And guys, as always, don't forget to like. Please comment in the comment section, guys. I know there are scammers. Watch out for the scammers. I try to delete all the dirty scammers out there, but watch out, guys. Don't take financial advice from anyone, and I hope to see you in the next video. Have a great day. Bye.